How to increase or decrease background sound volume with media sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and in here, tap on Audio and Visual. Then tap on Background Sounds. Now go to the Use when media is playing, and in this section here, you can increase or decrease the volume, the background sound volume together with the media. So here you can drag on this slider bar to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the background sounds while playing together with the media sound. So you can play the sample. Now the sample will take a moment or two to play, so just wait for a few moments. So you can see here it is grayed out. So here, when I lower it down, there is no stream sound, so there is no background sound. And as I increase, you can hear the background sound playing together with the media sound. And that's it. That is how you can adjust your background sounds together with the media sound. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.